Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 toy boxes from 888 Lots, supposed to be in brand new condition. So we're going to see, is it really? And we're going to price everything at the end of the video. So these are from 888 Lots. I do have the link down in the description if you're curious about it. I do believe you need a reseller certificate to purchase from them, so you can always just call your state to figure that out. But we're going to get into these toy boxes. Let's see what we find. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, I'm going to open this one first. Both of these boxes cost me $99 a piece, so we're all in at $198. And we're going to open these, find out what toys we have in them. And then if you're interested in anything, you can always contact me via email and say, hey, can I buy the widget for $10, whatever it is that we pull out that you're interested in. So make sure you stay till the end because we will be pricing everything. All right, let's see what's in here. So we have some padding. So here's a party pack. This is a 5 Nights at Freddy's party pack. It comes with napkins, plates, and mini plates. Then we have a Star Wars cupcake display.
That's cool.
That is really cool. See? Just put it all together. Then we have a Legends X-Men guy.
It's Logan.
Logan the Wolverine. What is this? Superhero. It's got the mask, the power cuffs, the Wonder Cape. So it's just like kind of a dress-up 3-in-1 craft box, it says. Yeah, satin cape, felt foam cutouts, ribbons, glitter stars. Basically, do it as you like. You design it. So you design the power cuffs, you design the mask, you design the cape. That's kind of neat. All right. Oh, hey, these were a hot commodity. These are basically little preschool toys, and they split in the middle, and they Velcro in the middle, but it comes with a little cutting board and plastic knives so that you can basically stand next to mommy and daddy and cook and cut and chop and not really chop your finger off with these toys. So we've got a few of those. That's awesome. Then we have, this is something. Big Top Alley Sticks, blue. I'm going to scan this because I have no earthly idea what in the world it is. Looks like 2 giant suction cups put together. All right. It says it's a Jungle Dream blue Big Top Jumbo set. Metal Diablo sticks, string and bag. I don't know what it's for. It's for juggling. You juggle the sticks.
Does it have a picture?
Yeah. I mean, it's basically what you see. But I think it's a juggle set.
Okay. I think I've seen something like that.
Yeah, where you use the sticks in this blue thing. You like bounce it back and forth, and you have to juggle the blue thing. But it comes with the bag and everything.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
You don't see that every day.
You don't. Oh, look at it. It's a bubbly bunny. What's he do? Let's see. Bubbly bunny. Oh, it makes soothing sounds. Plays soothing sounds for better sleep. So it includes 2 AA batteries, and the auto shuts off from 23 to 45 minutes you set it up. So it's a little noisemaker, like a white noisemaker. And it's cute.
That's cool.
That is cool. All right, then we have a Frozen backpack with a bunch of accessories. Don't let it go. You must buy it. Ha! You see what I did there? All right. These are Chinese checker marble replacements. Or they're the marbles you've been looking for all along. Looks like we got a bunch of those. Then we have Yu-Gi-Oh cards, trading card game for Yu-Gi-Oh. And we have, what is this? Oh, this is from It.
Kinda creepy.
7 young outcasts band together to battle an ancient shape-shifting evil that emerges every 27 years to prey on their town's children. That's terrifying.
Is it a doll or what is it?
Is it a doll or... Oh! It's so creepy!
The clown.
From It.
There you go.
Oh! He's got different heads. That's super creepy. All right. Some people like that stuff. All right. Here is a princess castle. It's a pop-up princess castle. Comes in a bag. Comes with all the poles to put it up. Like a castle tent. What are these? Snuggling tails. It's a soft and cuddly blanket. Basically, you put it on and you're an instant mermaid.
Like a mermaid.
Yeah. But look, they're blankets.
That's cool. They have a
3 of
barcode
those.
you can maybe scan?
Yeah, because I'd like to see what these look like a little better. But I don't want to unwrap them all because that would take forever. All right. Yeah, here we go.
Look at that. That's cool.
That is cool. All right. Oh, these are cool. So this is like a similar to the Color Wonder. It's you put water in the pen and then you can draw without making a disaster. Bathtub markers. We used to sell these all the time.
Goodness, we did.
Yeah. So they're made for the bathtub specifically. Then you have a Hero Master. This is the bad guy in, what is it? One of the Star Wars, right?
Something.
Yeah. And then this is like Twister, but it's Get Knotted. Lay the playmat out flat using the Get Knotted game outside. Use the pegs through the eyelets into the grass to pin the mat to the ground. And then you blow up inflatable playing dice. Get your friends together and you are ready to play.
Get Knotted. It's
Get
not Twister.
Knotted.
It's Get Knotted.
It's a happy version. It's an outdoor garden version of Twister.
Sure.
But look how big the mat is. It's huge.
Hey.
It's not Twister. All right, so that's the first box. We're going to move that out of the way. Go straight into the second box, and we will be pricing everything from the boxes. So make sure you stay tuned to figure that out. I love that Get Knotted game. It's fun.
It's not Twister.
Not Twister. It's Get Knotted. And it's in pastels, not primary colors.
It'd be a great Valentine game.
It could be a Valentine game. Play that with your spouse, break a hip.
Right.
That's what would happen to me. All right. Oh, we've got these little packs of fishies. How much were we selling for these before? Like $5. We did send these to Amazon. Yeah. All right. Then we have, okay, this is a table cover, Superman table cover.
It's plastic, right?
Yes. Yep. Plastic disposable. Then this is Magic the Gathering card covers. So if you have a really expensive card, these are like little sleeves for them. Then here's some more of the cutting fruit toy, which is awesome because we had so many people who wanted these. Oh, here's the unicorn keychains. I don't know what we're going to do with these.
I think we gave those to Awanas.
We might, yes, I think we donated them. Yep. Then we've got these Mickey Mouse blow party accessories. I think we sent those to Amazon. What is this? Magnetic poetry, a little box of hope, word magnets, believe again. What?
It's hope in a box.
It's hope in a box. I hope it makes us some cash. That's magnetic pottery, little box of hope, words for the refrigerator. You can write poems and letters on the fridge, made in the USA. So it's a box of magnetic letters. So you can write hopeful messages. You can't write negative messages with this box because it's a box of hope. So if you write negative messages, you're doing it wrong.
Correct.
Okay. So it's a little tiny box of letters. Cute. All right. Oh, these are awesome. We had a bunch of people who wanted these. These are like figurine doll stands. So they're plastic little stands that hold like action figures or dolls. Then we have a Flip-A-Zoo.
Very important.
It's a Flip-A-Zoo mystery pet. We have an Echo mic. I think we did that in a toy bundle. Ooh, what is this? Bouncing putty. It didn't bounce. Oh, wait. I guess you got to take it out of the container, huh? Then you've got...
That was awesome. You just dropped it. You didn't do nothing.
All right. We've got more Superman. Woo, we got a bunch of Superman tablecloths. I feel like this is a My Little Pony something. Oh, probably pin the tail on the pony.
That's cool.
Yeah. And then we've got... What in the... What is this?
Oh, that's not in English, my friend.
No, it is not.
I am not
It says...
sure what this is.
Japanese electronic musical instrument synthesizer.
Oh, yeah.
So I guess you squeeze it, and then if you put your finger in a different, look, you put your finger in a different spot, it's like it's changing the tone of the music.
Honestly, if you don't have one,
you need one. And you need this one.
The blue one is the best one.
The blue one must be the best one. All right, here's some more mermaid tails. Then we've got, Thomas the Tank Engine.
Sell that a lot.
Oh my goodness, we did sell that a lot. Here's another one of those figurine holders. Bunch more of those. Little bouncy balls that look very angry. They're mad.
Mad balls.
Mad balls. Get a couple of those. Ooh, here's one of those LOL mystery.
Those are expensive.
These are super expensive. Yeah. Surprise things. And then what's this? Goat Lords?
Goat Lords.
They have the weirdest names. Like, we have Exploding Kittens as a game.
It's probably a game like that, I bet. Get your goat.
You win Goat Lords by building the biggest goat herd. Place matches, steal goats, and protect your herd. Birth, you can build your herd by birth. Action, you have explosives and trickery. Intense goat screaming battles. Screaming goats. And Sasquatches. Because,
that goes with goats.
It goes with goats.
Apparently.
Listen, I just want you to see this picture on the back of the flying goaticorn. The purple one there. The flying goaticorn. Everyone needs a flying goaticorn in their life.
Yep.
These are amazing.
You too can own Goat Lords.
Goat Lords. Be the lord of your goats. All right, what is this? Rock crawler, off-road. Is it like a car?
Looks like it.
Function. Stimulating lights, turn right, turn left. Is it just a remote control car? Now the box is slit right here.
Have a panel that can be opened, or not really? If not, just go ahead and
it's
scan it.
sealed. Yeah, let me scan it. See if I can find a barcode.
Some of these cars can be expensive.
Yeah, they can. Oh, here's a barcode back here. I'm trying not to tip it over here. All right. Yeah, here it is. It's a monster truck.
There we go.
4-wheel drive, arbitrary direction, off-road power, suspension system.
Beautiful.
Nice. So it's a remote control car. Poof. Perfect. All right. Little pet pencils, little paw prints on them. And then it looks like the only thing else left in this box are the fruit slicing toys. So we're going to go ahead and price everything and be right back. All right, I got everything priced. We're going to come on over to this big, huge stack. So this is the stack of fruit out of both of the boxes, $10 each for those. And then we have the awesome remote control car. That's going to be $10 there. And then we have the Goat Lords, $10 a piece on each one of those. The Yu-Gi-Oh cards we're going to send to Amazon for $5. You can always request things that we intend on sending to Amazon from us because we may not have put the order in yet, and we'd be glad to sell it to you for the price that's on the ticket. The price that's on the ticket is after fees. So this is what we will actually pocket. We'll pay Amazon their fees, and this is what we get. Then we have the Mickey Roadsters Racers Party Supplies, $2.50 there. The Echo Mic for $1. Then we have the figurine stand holders or doll holders, $5 for that. We have this neat musical instrument, $20. We're going to send that to Amazon. We have the It Clown, $25. We're sending that to Amazon. Then we have the Get Knotted. Believe it or not, we're going to make $45 on Amazon for this game. That was crazy. I couldn't believe it. Then we have just a bunch of miscellaneous toys that we thought would be a much better sale if we put them in a bundle. So the whole box of toys, you got the Pin the Tail on the Unicorn, some bath time markers, you got some pencils, the bouncing putty, you got a couple of 3 or 4 different toys in the bottom, and a party pack, $20 for that whole box. Then for $5 down there, you have the Hope magnets, so you can write poetry on your fridge. Then the Magic the Gathering sleeves, $10 for that. We have the Legends X-Men Wolverine, $10. We're going to send him to Amazon. Then we have the bad guy from the Star Wars movie, $25. We're going to put him on eBay. Then we have the superhero design your own cape, mask, and bracers, $10. We're going to Amazon with that. Then the bubbly bunny that makes white noise, $15 for that. Then the marbles, $2.50 a piece. We're going to send those to Amazon. The LOL ball is going to be $10. The Star Wars cupcake holder, $10. We'll send that to Amazon. Then we have the Water Wonder Wow coloring set with water, $5 for that. The Frozen accessories little mini backpack, $10 for that. $5 each for the Superman tablecloths, $5 there, sending them to Amazon. $2.50 a piece for the pack of fishes. I think there's over 100 fish in each. And then we have the Princess Castle, $20. We're sending that to Amazon. The juggling tool there, it's got the little string you juggle it on, $15. We're sending that to Amazon. And then last but not least, the Snuggly Mermaid Tails, $10 a piece, what we'll make after fees on Amazon. When we add all of that up, it comes to $498.50. Remember, between the two boxes, we spent $198, which means our total profit is $300.50. Not too shabby. Hopefully you had fun. If you're interested in any of these items, please contact me at hookedonpickin, no G on the end of that, pickin.com, and say, hey, do you have the fishies available? I'd love to buy them at the $2.50 price. So let me know what you want, and hopefully it's been fun to see this 888 Lots brand new toy unboxing lot. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. If you want some of these unique items, you can always check out hookedonpickin.com for all of them, or just shoot me an email if you don't find something on the store. Also, if you would like to attend our fire sales and get a sneak peek before the fire sale starts, I always put a video out for all of my patrons, people who support me anywhere from $5 to $100 a month, and you get various different perks for every different level. So check it out. It's the Want to Support My Channel button down below. Thanks.